terakhir ni
Barang.
Dah belum?
Dah.
Okay.
Lagi, one more time. Shut up.
Tak boleh.
Betul-betul. Kau dah nanti aku nak cut pun susah. Wait. Take two. Okay.
Hey baby, when you look my way, I can be your new addiction. Hey baby, what you gotta say? All you giving me is fiction. I'm a sorry sucker and this happens all the time. I found out that everybody talks. It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I can hear the chit-chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always gotta backtrack when everybody talks back. Hey honey, you could be my drug. You can be my new prescription. Too much can be an overdose. All this trash talk make me itching. Oh my shit. Everybody talks too much. Started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then my lips hurt. I can hear the chit-chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always gotta backtrack when everybody talks back. I never thought I'd live to see the day when everybody's words got in the way. Oh! Hey sugar, show me all your love. All you're giving me is friction. Hey sugar, what you gotta say? It started with a whisper, and then I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. I can hear the chit-chat. Take me to your love shack. Mama's always gotta backtrack when everybody talks back. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Back. Started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her. Everybody talks. Everybody talks. Back. Siapa?
Pijit apa?